What's up, family? It's your boy Built on a Budget, coming back with another episode of Built on a Budget. Hey, how y'all guys doing today, man? It is another hot day out here today, and I really didn't get a whole lot done, but I'm going to show y'all what I did get done, because that's what I promised y'all I'd do, is keep y'all updated. Y'all know, of course, that the subject matter is this 69 C10 that I've been working on putting in the floor pans. I showed y'all all of that the other day. Still haven't had a chance to come in here and do this because it's been hot out here. But what I wanted to show y'all was I got some parts in today. I'm going to talk a little bit about that. We all know that I was telling y'all about the broke studs that I had on both sides of my engine. Y'all remember that? And first I want to say to all of the people that had put in the comments how to get these bolts out, y'all were 100% right. And I appreciate those comments. It just didn't work for me. Yeah, I've seen 100 videos where they say you weld and you build a weld out, and once you get enough weld built out, you can put vice grips on it and turn the bolts, and they will come right on out. The heat will even help you with breaking that rusted bolt free in that aluminum. And yes, you are right that the weld will not stick to the aluminum, but it will stick to the metal that's in the bolt. Okay, I did that 5 or 6 times. I built it out. I turned my welder up as high as I could get it and made all types of adjustments, and my weld still would not stick to the bolt. So I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'm going to tell you what I think my problem was. Now, I got y'all inside of the little compound built on the budget. Y'all see I got parts sitting all around, sitting on the table and stuff. And this is where I come. I got air conditioning. I got heat, which I don't have the air on because I'm not doing nothing today. Got a nice ceiling fan. I always have built on the budget going. And I got pop in the refrigerator, cold water and stuff. So that's how I stay hydrated. But that's none of what we're talking about right now. This is what I have. I got a MIG welder. Y'all see it. 145 amp MIG welder by Century with all of the heat settings. And I'm using argon gas. But this is what I realized once I couldn't make this thing work. When I first got this welder and I started using argon gas on it, I could turn it all the way down to its lowest setting, and I couldn't weld sheet metal. It was way too hot. So I had to reverse the polarity on this welder to get it to where I could turn it down low enough to weld sheet metal. Now I'm able to weld sheet metal without just completely burning it up. Now these little spots right here, I didn't turn the argon on, and that's why you got a little smoke around those little spot welds. But with the argon gas on, it won't do that, and I'm able to come in and fill this gap in with weld, and it won't burn it up, but it can get good penetration. Okay, so with that being said, I think that if I were to go back in my welder and reverse the polarities back, that welder will burn plenty of hot to get good penetration in order for me to build that stud out enough to either weld a nut on it or to grip it with a pair of grip pliers. Now, I mean, I know we got some expert welders that's in the comments, and just tell me if you think that my theory is right. But man, I done it 4 or 5 times on both sides, and I couldn't never get it to stick to that nut enough that it wouldn't break off. So what I done was, because I was tired of messing with it, it's hot out here, I ordered these pieces right here. Now, this is the repair plate that I was telling y'all about, because some of y'all may not have the ability to do a weld job, or you may not know how to weld. So what is the other alternative? And that alternative is on this side, back up, this thing fits like this on the block. I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what it do. Okay, it comes with its own mounting hardware. See how it mounts to the back of the block, and then you see how it has that nut made into it, and how that nut is designed to go over where the broke stud go in at. And then you can see it turning, and once you put it on there, and what that does is it pushes it up against the head, and that's how you stop your leak. Now, most of the time, the problems that you're gonna have on these broke studs is gonna either be the back bolt or the front bolt on either side. And that's why they got these different bolt holes. See them 2 holes here, for here, and right there, and it'll cover this bolt. And I almost tripped down out here. And my other one, which didn't come today, it'll mount in this hole here, and I got to clean that hole there out. It'll mount to that hole, and it'll fit over this stud. Now, I had about $30 in that fix. As you see, it's a pretty neat fix. It's one that can be done while the engine is in the truck, and it works. I've used it before, and it works. But now, like I said, the correct way is the way that y'all guys told me in the comments. And like I said, I don't know why that bracket didn't come today. I ordered both of them the same day, and they come from the same place. But when I get that in, I'll show you how it goes up there, and then I'll be ready to sit this motor in once I fill these holes in. But I'm gonna be honest with you, it been kind of hot. Took a couple of days off. And I got lazy. But that's neither here nor there, because I'm about ready to get back on the grind. I got a parts list that I made up, and I'm getting ready to pull the trigger on getting them parts here. And hopefully, when I get those parts here, I should be able to set this motor down, wire it all up, plumb the fuel system up, and crank this motor in this truck. That's what my goal is. The parts that I got in my shopping cart that I'm getting ready to hit that button on is gonna allow me to do that. Yeah, in the meantime, I'ma still come back in here while I'm waiting on my parts. I'ma fix this here. I'ma close that hole there up. I already got a little piece, got the same little design in it to fill this hole up. And then I'm going to take care of all of my other little holes that I have. And I might even try to get a little paint on that firewall across this section right here. I'm not worried too much about this up here yet. I just want to get that there where I can tape it off, you know, and come back to it. So that's what I got. This stuff, man, it don't come that easy. You got to go get it. It's a lot of variables in play when you have to go get it. And I'm doing the best that I can. But I will keep y'all guys posted on what I got going. And I hope it be something that y'all can sit back and be educated about it whenever I can. So, like I said, this little plate here, man, it didn't cost me a lot of money. And it's cheaper to go into a mechanic shop, having them to drill that thing out while you got an engine in the truck. Because I'm quite sure that that would get kind of expensive. So, that's the fix to that. Like I said, it comes with its own hardware. The other side is very similar. This piece here, they said, this particular bracket should fit on the front. Right. They said that the driver's side back are fit on the passenger side front. The passenger side rear are fit on the driver's side front. So they make two brackets, and you just got to know which one you need. And they're interchangeable, and they cheap all over eBay. Don't buy the first one that you see. Shop around, and you can get a real good deal. Like I said, I believe both of them cost me around $30. That's with tax and everything, free shipping. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that, and hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate y'all comments, man. And listen, I don't know it all. Some of y'all guys out there know way more than Built on a Budget, and so when y'all comment, man, I listen to y'all. I take it in consideration. If it's something that I can do, if it's something I can afford to do or want to afford to do, I don't have a problem, man, in doing it, you know. So that's just where I'm at. Continue to comment on my channel. Know that they are welcomed. And I appreciate and I value each one of y'all guys as subscribers. Even if you ain't even a subscriber, man, and you viewing my channel, I just want to thank you in advance. Tell you I appreciate you. And y'all guys stay out of this hot, man, this heat. Yesterday it was like 100 degrees, man. And I don't need to do this stuff, man. I do it because I love it, not because I have to. I got plenty of projects that I can just drive, but I love making these videos, letting y'all guys see this stuff come to life. So y'all stay tuned, and JT is gonna have some life in her. Give me a few days. I got to hit the button, then I got to wait on the parts. But as I get them, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and I'm gonna definitely have y'all on board when this bad boy come to life. I've already flashed my computer, turned on the fans and stuff, because I'm gonna run an electric fan. I eliminated some of the codes that's gonna show up because I don't have EGR. I don't have a lot of stuff that the computer normally looks for that throws an engine code. I know which more I got to eliminate once I get it running and it throws an unnecessary code and I see it. I can go on the inside of the computer and turn that off where it don't even look for it. But like I said, I'm headed somewhere, and I like to continue to bring y'all along with me. So I appreciate y'all watching these videos. The more y'all watch them, the more I desire to do them. And y'all been doing pretty good, you know, checking my stuff out. I'm not where I want to be yet, but I'm headed somewhere, and I feel good going. To the next video, it's your boy, Built on the Budget, saying thank you and peace.